At the top, if you've ever bought a home or property, you know there is a lot of paperwork involved.
Tonight, a warning from a woman who is now fighting to purchase a property she thought she already owned. Here's Channel 5's Angela Vargas.
This house looks simple. Its place centered between one owner who followed the law, the other years of unpaid property taxes. The homeowner we spoke to didn't know. Now she has to outbid others to keep her space. 8 years ago, Perla Garcia thought she bought her dream home.
All that was here. You see, you come into this side, you see a for sale sign. What do you expect? The whole property with a house.
The previous owner told Garcia the whole lot was hers. Garcia's in the refinery business and works out of town. She paid cash for this lot and worked with an attorney and title company to make the lot legal. She even made improvements to the home for her future.
I thought this was my home the whole time. This is all my property.
Garcia learned that wasn't exactly true. She says her mother called saying lawyers put a foreclosure sign on one side of the property.
So now they come in and put the sign there saying that I'm only owner of this side to that side. And my house is right in the middle.
Through the Hidalgo County Appraisal District, we got the overview of the properties. We discovered the previous owner didn't pay the property tax and was foreclosed on. Then the bank that did the foreclosing didn't pay the property taxes either. The thousands in unpaid property taxes landed the bank in a courtroom. We reached out to the law firm handling the case. Attorney Hiram Gutierrez tells us they did inform Garcia of the situation and to work something out with the bank. Garcia explains nothing happened when she spoke with the bank, so she assumed everything was okay. Gutierrez points out the suit proceeded. He sent us this statement. The suit against Compass Bank as successor in interest to Texas State Bank is closed as judgment has been taken and we now proceed to tax sale. He explains the lot will be auctioned off and she can move the home to her lot or outbid someone for the property.
Because I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, I live here. This is my home. I don't have nowhere else to go.
Garcia says what concerns her is she will be bought out. Attorney Gutierrez says this is an unfortunate situation and recommends a survey from a title company should be done before the land is purchased. He says Garcia still has time to try to reach the owner again before the auction in April. Garcia tells us she plans to fight for the property. In the Channel 5 News studio, Angela Vargas, Channel 5 News at 10.
So if it happened to her, could it happen to you? And how can you protect your investments? Angela went digging for answers in this Channel 5 News Extra. First off, avoid using a notary when preparing documents. Real estate attorney Lauren Christie says notaries are not authorized to prepare legal documents. She recommends having an attorney review and prepare paperwork. Title insurance is also recommended, as is an inspection report, which should come from the title company.
Somebody will physically go out there and mark the boundaries to the property that you're buying to make sure that there's no encroachments.
It is also known as a survey. Closing on a property deal can take up to 45 days. There is a lot involved, but if your agent, lender, or title company fail to bring it up, Christie says you should.